Members of Parliament, councillors and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Lord Mayor and all those who have organized this meeting here. It's not the first time, as it has been said by Alex, that I am in this room. I've been many times, and I know most of you. And I spent 3 years in Bradford, so I know Leeds quite a lot as well. So this time, I'm on a visit to UK and Europe just for 10 days. And the reason is that the human rights violations in occupied Kashmir are at peak. But unfortunately, for 2 years, because of the COVID, it's not much done by diaspora here. So I want to tell them that it's time that Kashmiris, especially the people in occupied Kashmir, need your support. I went to the United States last month, and we had a big demonstration against when Mahmoud came to address the General Assembly. And in fact, I have got another honor here, that I am the first elected Kashmiri who actually went to the General Assembly of the United Nations.